Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So guys, the verdicts are now in. Nigeria has now entered one chance, and we're now going to have to suffer Malam Buhari for another 4 years. So heaven help us. So with that, I bring you this. Tribunal dismisses Atiku's petition challenging Buhari's victory. So that's the headline. Tribunal dismisses Atiku's petition challenging Buhari's victory. So now let's find out exactly what was said and done. The Presidential Election Petition Tribunal sitting in Abuja has dismissed the petition filed by the candidate of the People's Democratic Party, Atiku Abubakar, challenging the victory of President Muhammadu Buhari during the February 23rd election. The tribunal dismissed Atiku's petition for not being able to prove satisfactorily all the allegations he brought before the panel. Delivering the judgment in Abuja on Wednesday, the five-man panel led by Justice Mohammed Garba dismissed the petition in its entirety. So that's the real phrase that you need to take away from this, and there will be subsequent videos, of course, coming from me regarding this matter, but this is just the news as it's breaking now, and I'm bringing it to you as it breaks. So dismissed the petition in its entirety. So everything dismissed. Buhari, your president for the next 4 years. Is Atiku going to the Supreme Court? Is it really worth the effort? We all know what's going to happen there, because they've dismissed it out of hand, and they have said that you are going to endure this guy for the next 4 years, whether you not like it or not. So our fate has now been sealed within the Nigerian state. Malam Buhari and the Cabal is going to be the terms and the names that we're going to be conjuring with for the next 4 years. So heaven help us. I think those prayer halls and those churches and mosques will be filled now in Nigeria with people praying for a way out. So the poverty capital of the world is the beginning. So now what is the next level? Because they've promised us a next level, because the first level, of course, was taking us to the poverty capital of the world. So now the next level then is really in the hands of God. Only God knows what these people have in stock for us now. So Malam Buhari is your president for the next 4 years, and this is something that we have to now endure within the Nigerian space. The tribunal has come back with its verdict dismissing the petition of Atiku Abubakar and the PDP in its entirety, and that is really the takeaway word from this video and in this process, really in its entirety. So conversations in the comment section is what I am inviting. Any surprises here? Were you surprised to hear this? I wasn't. We all knew this was going to happen. We were hoping against hope, but we all knew, of course, that there was no way that they were ever going to say that Malam Buhari is no longer the president. A panel that was assembled by his team would then say he's no longer the president. That's never going to happen, and of course then no surprises here. So let's have a chat about this in the comment section, but before you come join me in the comment section to have a conversation around this, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. Bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come tell me what you are making of all this in the comment section. So I'll leave you here, carry on with you in the comment section, but here I say